Well, welcome back to another episode. And this, my last video I said I was going to go bird hunting. Well, this is a very unsuccessful bird hunt. I've been out here since like 10, and there ain't nothing. See, I hear them, but they're too far from the trees to get them. And they just won't come down low enough. So I'm just been sitting in my fort. I almost fell asleep. Yeah. Well, don't worry. Once I catch something, I'm making a video how to skin it and pluck it and all that turtle dove, and I'll be cooking it. Make some chicken breast. But really, it'd probably be like a red bird or something, or a robin. It's whatever I can find. Because I'm pretty sure they're all the same, sort of. There's my fort. It's quite dry, surprisingly. Well, wait a minute. I see one. Hang on a minute. There it is. God. Probably a whole lot easier to go buck hunting or fishing. Jesus, bird hunting is hard as hell though. Especially with a BB gun. You gotta hit it like somewhere in like the head or the chest or something in order to kill it. But then you kind of don't really want to damage the breast, because then you'd might have a dictator to get your bullet out. Well, that's it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Subscribe. Comment down below if you want. Leave a like. Till next time.